How to upload CapCut videos to YouTube Shorts. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to upload your CapCut videos to YouTube Shorts. If you have got some awesome videos on CapCut that you want to share, you're in the right place. First, let's open up CapCut app. Now that you're in the app, you need to go ahead and find the video that you want to upload. Say this is the video you want to upload. Then you need to simply go ahead and click on export option over here. Now just wait for a moment for the video to export. Now once the video is exported, we need to head over to our YouTube. Once you're in the YouTube, you can see the plus icon located in the bottom of your screen. You need to simply go ahead and click on that. Once you do that, you need to go ahead and find the video that you want to upload it or that you have downloaded from the CapCut. Then you can trim the video if you want, and once you do that, you need to click on done. Then you need to simply go ahead and click on next. Now you need to go ahead and add the captions of the video that you want. Once you do that, you can see an option that says upload short. You need to go ahead and click on that. And there you have it. If you want to check the video that you have just uploaded, you need to simply go to your profile, and from here you can see the shorts option. And that's it. I hope this quick guide helped you out. If you find it useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, comment, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.